Hello everyone, welcome back to my country farmhouse quilting room. Today I have a special little skit that I want to show you on the quilt behind me. I haven't showcased any quilts in quite some time because I've been a really busy girl, and you know it's getting that season, you know it's getting close to November. Well, it is November, so anyway, this quilt behind me was sent by my friend Lynn, and Lynn is from Iowa, so this was a mail-in. This is a very beautiful panel quilt, and I really wanted to show you all, and I would really like Lynn to see this getting quilted. This is a mail-in. Lynn usually hand ties her quilts, so this is going to be really special, and I feel honored to do this quilt for her because I'm just blown by her work. She has these beautiful Alice Chalmers tractors, and I'm very much a farm girl, so I know all about this kind of thing. But she has done these wonderful log cabins, and even these little small log cabins underneath it. She's got some farmy strips in here for her sashings, and this wonderful panel. And hopefully if you can see it, I'm going to try to lower this down just a little bit so you can really see the full effect of the barn, the horses, the goats. Oh my God, I love goats. So we got the goats, there's a rooster in there, there's a round bale of hay, you got the fence, you got some equipment back here and some more horses, a wonderful barn, might be an extension of this barn, and the silo. This is just really cool and very farmy, and I love the sashing here that has little barns in it, and you can see little cattle, a little truck in there. If you really see this up close, you can see the details. I'm going to let you see the details on the bottom as well, because she has gotten some more of these log cabins down below here, and they really are beautiful. And she's got different colorful strips in here. I see some purples and some darks and some blues and some cream colors. And I just love these little log cabins that come up the sides, and they have the little red centers in them, and even the AC and some of the squares here as well. She's got one up there at the top. I'll put some pictures on this to kind of let you see. If you can see this, there is an AC right here in the center of this one, as well as this one over here. AC for Alice Chalmers. You're a farm girl, you know that. So anyway, we're going to get this on the quilter, and we are going to be doing a horse heads with horseshoes. And I think it really fits this quilt with the horses in there, because this is a special gift that Lynn is giving to someone special to her. And I think it's going to turn out great. We're going to use some gray thread, and she has a muslin back for it, so it's very simple. But I think the gray thread will just give it a nice translucent design, so you'll be able to see it on the back. So we're going to get this on the quilter, and I will let you see it when we get it on there. I am on row 3 of 6, and I have the panel pretty clearly on the front now, and I just wanted to kind of go over the detail you can see on this panel. And I will get up here and show you some of the horseshoe designs that kind of shine through into the sky, the birds. You can even see on the back where it's rolled on the muslin, the gray really shines through, so you'll see the pattern really nice. But I'm just going to come out and really let you see up close the life of this panel. It just pulls you right in. It's almost like you're really there. It's just incredibly photographed. And I just feel like the picture just takes us right in. Check out the 2 cute little goats. Are they not the sweetest little things? And the rooster in the back, and the round bale, and the horse peeking over the fence. Reminds me of one of them things that you would look on that has the cards. It's really old-fashioned. I forget what it's called, but where you see the pictures and it looks like it takes you right in. But just really some neat details. The horses in the back. So I just wanted you to see the up close and personal of this panel. How realistic it looks. Just great inspiration. So The quilt is finished quilting, and I just want to conclude this video and show you a few of the details that was in this quilting. Again, this is Lynn's quilt, and we did the horse heads and the horseshoes on this quilt, and we did it in gray, and it really turned out great. The whole quilt, I don't know if you can see any of the details of the quilting as it's displayed here, but it really makes a nice overlay of the quilt without taking away from the beautiful scenery that we have here. So I really just want to show you the back. The back was muslin, but on the back you can just nicely see the design, and I'm hoping that you can see some of this quilting in here of the horse heads and the horseshoes on this. It turned out really, really nice, and maybe I can grab a couple more pictures at the end just to kind of show you the details of this quilt. So it turned out really nice. Lynn, I am very honored to have quilted your quilt for you. I think it's beautiful, and I hope that your friend really loves it. So I want to let all of you know, if you would love to have your quilt quilted here with us at Country Farmhouse Quilting, please let us know. Email us at countryfarmhousequilting@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you if you'd like to mail in your quilt. So stay tuned for the next video, and remember to please like and subscribe. Take care.